Welcome to Tsitsikamma Canopy Tours. Thanks, Mornay.
So, opa. 1, 2, 3, off you go.
Okay. Woohoo!
This canopy tour is located in the Tsitsikamma indigenous forest, a short drive from Knysna, an hour from Plettenberg Bay, and 2 hours from Port Elizabeth. I'm at Tsitsikamma Canopy Tours. Going to the briefing room to get the safety instructions and kit it up.
This is your pulley. So the pulley will take your whole body weight. Behind the pulley we have another backup. This is known as a cow's tail. It's just behind the pulley, waiting for something to happen to the pulley. The whole body weight will be transferred onto this one. Then we have another backup on your backup cable. So there's lots of backups. Your strong hand always behind the pulley onto the main cable. Like this, the weak hand here, your strong hand behind the pulley onto the cable. Now remember, never ever on top, never ever in front. Because if you're going to put it here, you're going to add more weight, and more weight means that you're going to go faster. So you won't be able to stop. If you put a hand here, you know what's going to happen. 9.5 fingers. So always at the back of this device. Important, when you get onto the other side, onto the platforms, you lift up the legs, land fast on top of the platforms. Not against the edges of the platforms, because we need your ankles.
Even if it rains, the guys at Tsitsikamma go out. Rain jackets are provided for you. Everybody is kitted up. This is quite a cool map. People pin where they're from. Quite a few people from the United States, some from Brazil, Argentina, quite a lot from South Africa, and then from Europe, some Australians and New Zealand. Wow, a lot of places in the world to travel to. Starting at platform 1, the first zipline is here already.
So this hand just glides loosely with you. When the neck away, just a gentle pull down onto the cable. Left hand remember you're allowed to swing. Poppy go. I say whoop, I sit down first. Sit down. 1, 2, 3, off you go.
You'll slide from tree to tree from 11 platforms and 10 zip lines built high up in the trees. The forest is protected and the trees are not allowed to be cut down or harmed in any way.
Very tall trees. We are high above the forest canopy.
These blocks and padding are there to support the platforms without damaging the trees. No nails or screws are allowed to be used.
So this is a pear tree behind me, and the Outeniqua
is the one in front.
and the one in front we're sliding
They're
towards.
the only ones that we make use of in the system. Okay. Other one here.
Uncle Sam is a giant yellowwood Outeniqua about 600 years old.
So we're standing on the Outeniqua Yellowwood tree.
But then what a Podocarpus latifolia?
That's the yellowwood.
Podocarpus fulcatus, and there's lots of Podocarpuses.
Yeah, this one for the carpus, fulcarpus. Now latifolius is the one on that side.
It's the thin leaves. It's a,
This
Got the-
one's estimated to be 500 years old.
Now we're done with 3 slides. There's still 7 more slides to go. The slide going that way, the back, that's just the emergency exit in case bad weather. When he fires in the forest. Sometimes we call it a chicken run. I know when people get a little bit scared of heights and things.
The experience lasts about 2.5 to 3 hours. There are 11 platforms, 10 zip lines, and a suspension bridge.
Most of the animals here are not they only at night time.
Oh, there's no animals here.
Yeah, like bush pigs, porcupines, mountain leopards. We do it. Yeah, so well done guys, you made it to the highest platform. Huh? How deep do you think the roots of this tree go into the soil? How many meters? Remember it's shallow, no?
Shallow?
Yeah.
Yeah,
50.
shallow. 5 meters.
5 meters? What do you guys say? Just a guess.
I think 50.
Only a half a meter, no?
Half a meter.
Half a
Only a
meter?
half a meter because here we only have half a meter nutrient soil. Underneath is clay, so they can't penetrate into it. No?
Half a meter
Yeah.
for this big tree.
Yeah, for this
Wow.
one. Eh? But then it's spread out horizontally up
Yeah,
to
yeah.
40 meters. No? Yeah, intertwined with others.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why they're so flexible.
Scary.
The platforms are built around giant Outeniqua Yellowwood trees.
Wow, look at those trees moving around. Another one of those zip lines that's fairly level, so you can't really stop in the middle or slow down. You would get stuck. It's interesting being so high up in these trees. Ferns in the valley. Below you'll see several ferns growing on the forest floor.
Ah, no, no slowing down. You're going to get stuck in
Let me see.
1, 2, 3. Opa, there you go.
It's a very thick canopy. This is the tree we are on.
Oh, you get stuck on that.
Yeah, you see, if you break, no? Yeah, that's why you do not break, you're going to get stuck in there. Yeah. So sit down. So now I'm holding you. No?
Don't break.
Don't break, no?
Okay, I'm not gonna break. I'm standing on
I
my
say 1, 2, 3, off you go, no?
Can I go?
1, 2, 3, jump. It's another male Outeniqua Yellowwood, no? That's another male. How do you know the difference? The female have the fruit, the male have the pollen cones. That's how we know the difference between male and female. 1, 2, 3, whoppa. Hey!
This is Uncle Sam. These platforms are amazing in between these huge trees, and you can see the trees come alive in the wind. Whoa! It's a lot of fun sliding between these trees. So we're on the last slide. What a pity. It's come to an end very quickly. These forests are really amazing. And the sun peeping through the treetops. They're really tall trees here. And look at that.
It's a very thick tree. probably about 500 years old.
This How tall are these trees?
The one you're standing on, age-wise, it's over the 600 years mark. So it's close to 30 meters.
So it's about 30 meters
30
and like 600 years old.
1, 2, 3, off you go, no?
Oh, I love them when they
You're standing on history now.
sway in the wind.
Yeah, they need to sway. Don't give more now. So 1, 2, 3, off you go. Walk back, no?